Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a neutral, everyday, wearable Arabic makeup look. I'm going to be starting off by using the NYX Warm Neutral palette. And the first shade I'm using is this warm brown that has an orange undertone. And I'm going to be applying this into my crease. I'm using the Sigma E40 brush, blending back and forth, building up the colour. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade which has a red undertone and I'm applying this in the outer part of the eye. I'm using a fluffy brush as well, but this is a much smaller one because we need to be a bit more precise when we're applying the colour in the outer part of the eye. So a smaller, fluffier brush would be better rather than the large fluffy brush that we used in the crease. Now for my lid shade, I'm using this neutral taupe type of colour. It has a slight shimmer to it. Perfect for every day because it's not too shimmery. Now for my highlighter, I'm taking this top champagne colour and I'm just applying this with a pencil brush under my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eyes. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline gel liner. And I'm starting off by creating a line along my lash line. Then once I've done that, I'm going to create my wing. So I'm going to start off by creating one line, starting from the corner of my eye, going up towards the eyebrow. Then my second line to create a triangle shape. Then I'm going to fill this in and then neaten the whole line up. I'm also going to be extending my eyeliner in the tear duct area, creating a sharp point there. Now for mascara, I'm using the Loreal Lash Paradise and I'm using this for my top and bottom lashes. And here is the look with just mascara for those of you who don't like to wear lashes during the day. And then here I've applied some natural wispy lashes if you do like to wear lashes. These are the Ardell Wispies. If you enjoyed watching this, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!